The sun rises over the horizon. Its first light catches the edge of something enormous. A colossal construction machine silhouetted against a vibrant sunrise. It is silent and still. This giant stands taller than any skyscraper. Long robotic arms reach toward the sky, ready to begin. This is not a scene from a distant science fiction film. This is a glimpse of our near future. We stand at the beginning of a new age, an age defined by mega machines. These incredible creations are not just tools. They are partners in building a new world. They will change how we live. They will change how we work. They will change how we dream. They will help solve our biggest problems. Let us first imagine machines that build on an impossible scale. Picture an orbital construction rig, massive spider-like robot assembled in space. Long, delicate arms move with silent grace. They piece together solar power satellites. Those satellites beam clean energy down to Earth. They construct new space stations, stepping stones to the moon, stepping stones to Mars. On Earth, these rigs would seem like monsters. In zero gravity, they become elegant builders, architects of our future beyond this planet. They open a new frontier not with rockets, not with explosions, but with careful, deliberate construction, automated construction, creating permanent homes among the stars. Now bring our vision back to Earth, to the oceans. Imagine a floating city platform, not just a big ship, a modular, self-sustaining island built by giant robotic arms. Platforms linked to form sprawling ocean communities. They rise and fall gently with the tides, powered by waves, powered by the sun, living in harmony with our oceans rather than in fear of them. The future of heavy industry will not be loud and dirty. It will be quiet, precise, and autonomous. Meet the autonomous mining rig. This colossal vehicle navigates deep underground tunnels without a human driver. It uses advanced sensors and AI to map mineral veins with incredible accuracy. It extracts resources with minimal disruption to the surrounding environment. This means fewer dangerous jobs for human miners. It means less waste and a smaller ecological footprint. A fleet of these rigs can work around the clock, communicating with each other to optimize their tasks. They turn one of the world's most dangerous jobs into a safe, efficient, data-driven operation, managed from the surface. In our cities, look up and you will see the self-driving crane. This intelligent machine stands tall on a construction site. It does not need a human operator sitting in a tiny cab hundreds of feet in the air. Instead, it is guided by a digital blueprint of the building. It lifts steel beams and concrete panels with perfect, calculated grace. Its sensors can detect wind speeds and adjust for sway. They can ensure that no workers are in the path of its load. This technology will dramatically improve safety and speed up building our homes, offices, and hospitals. Now, let us travel to the countryside and witness the farming colossus. This is a single, gigantic vehicle that can perform multiple agricultural tasks at once. One part tills the soil, another plants with pinpoint accuracy, a third delivers exact water and nutrients. Precision agriculture to feed our growing world. The purpose of technology has always been to protect and serve humanity. This principle extends to our defense and security. Imagine a swarm of defensive drones. These are not weapons of attack. They are guardians. Picture a small town threatened by a wildfire. A fleet of these large, specialized drones is deployed. They create a protective barrier around homes and forests. After an earthquake, they use thermal cameras to find survivors and guide rescue teams to the exact location. Their mission is to save lives, not to take them. Next, consider the Robotic Engineering Corps. After a devastating flood, these machines are airlifted in. They clear debris. They build temporary bridges. They repair damaged dams. They shore up levees. They operate where human crews can't. They do not get tired. They do not need to sleep. Their purpose is to restore stability and hope. On the seas, envision the Oceanic Guardian submarine, a silent sentinel to detect threats, protect reefs, and free trapped life. Strength measured in protection. Our industrial systems are the engines of our civilization. To build a better future, we must reinvent them. The first step is the modular factory. Imagine a factory that can reconfigure itself overnight. Hundreds of modules, welding, painting, assembly. They rearrange themselves like building blocks, flexible, efficient, and local, reducing waste and transport. Enter the energy giant, a next-generation power plant. A vast solar array, panels tracking the sun like sunflowers. A small, safe, modular reactor providing reliable, carbon-free power. These energy giants power our homes, industries, and electric vehicles without polluting our air. Connecting it all is the AI-directed supply chain, the invisible nervous system that tracks every product, from raw materials to the finished item in your hand. It forecasts demand and chooses the most efficient routes for trucks, ships, and drones. Goods arrive faster with a lower carbon footprint. Together, these systems create a virtuous cycle and advance a circular economy. They fight climate change and create new jobs in renewables, advanced manufacturing, and data science. The magnificent machines we have imagined are not distant dreams. They are the logical next steps on our technological journey. But moving from bold concept to working reality begins with research and development. Stronger, lighter materials, smarter AI, and better power systems. Then prototypes, pilot projects, real-world tests to learn, adapt, and ensure safety. Governments and industry must set clear rules and ethical standards, and ensure benefits reach all of society. As these machines spread, our workforce must evolve through education and training. Robotic maintenance technicians, AI ethics supervisors, mega machine fleet operators. Schools and programs must equip students for this new economy. Finally, building this future is a global task. Challenges like climate change, resource scarcity, and disaster relief transcend borders. No nation can do it alone. It demands cooperation, shared knowledge, and pooled resources. The future is a project we must all build together. We have journeyed through a future filled with awe-inspiring giants. We have seen orbital rigs weaving new worlds in the stars, silent colossuses tending our fields on Earth, floating cities that rise with the tide, robotic guardians that rush to our aid. These are not mere fantasies, tangible possibilities, blueprints for a better world. Every creation begins with a single idea, a sketch, a line of code, a conversation, asking, what if? You do not need to be an engineer to help shape this future. Choose awe and action. Invest, engage, and collaborate. These mega machines are tools to make our dreams concrete. So let us begin. Together, we are the architects of what comes next.